favourite part about the train ride from North Brisbane to South Brisbane is the view that you get when you have to cross the water. I thought I was bad wearing a beanie and he's out here in an orange jumper. You're literally vlogging on the C200.
I'm literally vlogging on the C200. It's behind the scenes footage. It is. Production value has gone up. Yeah.
So is this just behind the scenes, or are you going to actually use the footage for the vlog?
Yeah. I'm going to use it for both.
Why'd you let him do this?
Production value's gone up. This is overkill. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, it is. You're vlogging on the C200. It is absolutely overkill.
So many people do it, and I'm so upset about it. You know, like all the fucking like bigger YouTubers. I just.
Yeah, but they also have a cameraman.
Yeah. No, they fucking don't. Logan Paul. I just watched the Nelk Boys Instagram story the other day.
Yeah.
Guys just vlogging like this on the fucking C200.
That's insane.
I'm like, what are you fucking doing?
So we're gonna grill?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, let's get grilled. My big camera has officially crapped out on me. I literally cannot get it to work. Jordan's really intent on figuring out what food he's gonna get. Were you just watching my vlog? Is that what was just happening? This is a lot. This is a lot. Where's your camera, Jordan?
So Frank, what do you think of the place?
Yeah, it's a cool place. Vlogging. How's your burger?
So good.
Banging.
3 cheese on it.
Is grilled Australia only?
Grill anywhere else, it is?
Yeah, it's only in Australia. Huh. Grilled is like specialty burgers. You wanted to add something?
Say my burger has cheese.
No camera.
My life's not vlog content, I get it.
No, it's fine. No, it's okay. I actually realized probably around vlog 20 that I was literally just cutting out everything that everyone else said in the vlog.
I would like leave from in the vlogs, in my vlogs. And like no matter how long he talked, I was like respectful. I was like, this man deserves his vlog time. And then I'd go into his vlog and he made me look like the most sour, like depressed human being ever. Like I'm always just like, yeah.
Well, it's mostly because I was trying to keep them under 5 minutes, which I'm not doing as strictly now, so I can leave a bit more conversation.
Oh yeah.
I need to leave, boys.
Okay, well,
I apologize. Goodbye, beautiful boys.
Bye.
Goodbye. I gotta rush back to the studio now because Joe and I have to shoot the podcast, but we don't have a lot of time to actually shoot it. So I gotta get there, get set up, shoot the podcast, and get out of there in like an hour and a half. Really gotta stop eating out all the time. Liv got grumpy at me yesterday because I've eaten out like most days this week. Monday, I'm setting a budget for myself and I'm only gonna eat out within that budget. I think it's gonna be like $50 a week. Because I gotta save my money, you know, I gotta buy camera gear.
For me,
It's dead, I think.
it's proper dead.
Yeah, well, it still turns on, but it just constantly dies. Are we shooting in here today? Oh, perfect. All right. I do know how I'll turn the lights on. From what I remember. Yeah, there we go. Perfect.
Reception.
Probably pretty gross. You're the second person today to watch my vlog in front of me.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's really weird. It's like weirdly meta.
I still want this tiny little skateboard if we can get one that'll fit us.
I'm sure we can. Or we can just like we can just make one, surely. All right, well, we have to shoot the podcast now. Oh, there's a person being toured. Making friends. All right, we gotta shoot the podcast now. Rolling. Speed.
Camera, rolling.
Striking.
Audio.
Check. So when I finished the podcast, he's copying the footage. I just spent, the audio, whatever. I just spent like 10 minutes trying to figure out what's wrong with my camera, my big camera, and we've concluded that we think it might just be dead.
I think it's just.
It still turns on and stuff. Like it still functions, but then it'll just randomly switch off. Cannot get it to work on camera at all. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's it turning off. And then I can like wiggle it, and then it turns back on. It's so stupid. Just annoying, it's just frustrating. So I'll probably shoot on the G7X for a while. I don't know, I'm lost. Goodbye, beautiful man.
Goodbye.
I'm gonna go finish editing the podcast, and I'm getting an early night tonight. I'm going to bed early.
You seem very tired.
I'm really wrecked.
The philosophy for life is that nobody's gonna hit you if you have a big off camera.